So this is our second trip to New York, and this time we're taking the train, NJ Transit. It's actually a pretty nice train. It's not bad at all. Not very packed. So if you're a senior, disabled, or military, you get 50% off the tickets, which is pretty nice, because we would have ended up paying close to $70 for the two of us, but because I'm military, we're paying $35.
So we entered Central Park.
Yep. This is a whole road just for bicycles, with stoplights and everything, which is kind of crazy. Like, it just looks like a normal road for cars. Oh wait, I guess. I guess it is for cars. Yes, подожди. Okay, never mind. It's a road for certain cars and bicycles.
Wow, look at that view.
I believe that's Billionaire's Row. It's a great place for New Yorkers to get into nature.
It's a great spot for a date too.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Come. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Давай пойдем на этот мостик.
Пошли. Central Park has some amazing views. You go from being on a lake to looking at some really tall, sometimes old, sometimes new buildings. It's just a nice vibe. You can take rides here on horses that are, I guess, themed in different colors. Like that one was red. Hi, excuse me, do you drive one of these? How much are like the horses,
For the ride, it's 20 minutes, $72.
$72, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
So I don't know if you guys heard that, but the horses here cost $72
Horse
for
ride.
the horse ride here costs $72 for 20 minutes. Yeah, that's priced per carriage, so you can't do like per person or something. And that's 20 minutes, so I'd imagine an hour would be 200. You know.
Yeah, that's pricey.
Yeah.
So there's a newspaper photo booth right on the bridge there. Here we have our newspapers. Basically, just some random girl, she takes pictures on her camera and she prints pictures like it's just like some newspaper. And I think it's a really cool memory. And she does it for free, but she asks for donations. So you just can give some cash or PayPal or some other online option that works for you. You should definitely come here.
$25. Friday through Sunday, $30. So this is per hour. and per boat.
I mean, that's a really good price, I think.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. And it's up to 4 people per boat, so you can take your family or friends there.
I would definitely go there, but there are so many other things I want to see right now. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
And when it's more sunny, maybe? Because today is pretty cloudy. So.
Yeah, it is. We can get you a real Gucci bag there. So this is like a whole designer street. It's got Chanel, Louis, Tiffany, Bulgari, Prada down there. Also next to that building is Saint Laurent, Burberry, Dior. This Louis store has 5 stories. That's insane. Very, very nice area. Very safe. Pretty clean compared to a lot of parts of New York. They have an organ here. Sometimes trying to find the subway, the right subway entrance, or even the right train is pretty difficult because half the time, even the trains that are the right letter, like E or C for example, are still going the wrong direction. So you got to be careful with that.
So we made it to the World Trade Center subway station, and we are gonna head out to the 9/11 memorial. They have a museum, but it's closed right now.
And then we're gonna go see the Brooklyn Bridge, which is only like a 15-minute walk. So.
Yeah.
the 9/11 museum.
Oi.
This is the One World Trade Center.
Oh, guys.
Here are some of the names of the people that passed here.
Now we're on the Brooklyn Bridge, walking towards the center, and we're gonna show you the view from the bridge. Right now it's
Yeah, that's where we're walking towards. There are a ton of people on this bridge. A ton. Very crowded. Everyone's taking pictures. Very beautiful here. I don't know if you guys can see, but Statue of Liberty is over there. This is Manhattan. Very, very photogenic area.
yeah, Times Square is definitely better at night.
Yeah. Honestly, not much to do here during the day. I mean, at night either, but it is cool. It is cool to see.
Definitely overrated place, but
Yeah.
worth to see it like once in your life,
Yeah.
and then you're just done.
If you have to come at night.